Hello, guys. I was just walking in the street. Wait a minute.
Hi, Chewy.
Hi, but what does that have to do with that?
What?
That thing.
What?
That thing.
I just jogged around here. I didn't see this, Chewy.
You didn't?
No, I didn't.
Do you want me to go in it?
Yeah, you go in it.
Okay, here we go.
Okay, bye, Chewy.
Bye. I'm in it.
Okay. I think what you do is you pump this thing right up there.
Pump it.
And
Pump it.
when I pump it, I think.
Just pump it already.
Oh, wait, I think I have to set this. What do you want it to be? BC or CB?
What do you mean? I'll BC.
Okay. Well, there's a button right here, so let me press this.
Oh my gosh, I'm dizzy. Where did I go? Wait, Chess, what are you doing?
Hello.
Chess?
Hello.
Chess?
D-O-O-G-L.
What?
Go. Get over here, Dougal.
Yeah. What? What do you mean?
This.
Wait.
My friend. Dougal.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Wait, do you have a flying car then?
Yes, I do.
This is the BC.
Yes, I do.
Let me see that car.
Yeah.
Oh,
this is my car. It's even my color.
Whoa.
Okay, here we go. Dougal.
Oh my God.
Dougal, listen. This is my car.
Wait a minute. If this car, let me see this car can fly. Let's see this.
Hop on.
Okay.
Okay. And 5. Here, I just pressed this button right here.
Wait a minute. Whoa!
Yeah. Bye, Chewy. Have a good